posting picture and why I said and why you say to go under the knife and all that. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Says, oh my don't even know misika, my body. Look at a nice shape, look at a nice body. Oh, me who's so dear, why you baby? The only thing I wanted to do was my books because I felt like it was too much for me. Me gym instructor bet me I started 2020. Me was 25 years this year. No me 26. It was my sweet boyfriend.
Only Frank now dated that.
Frank, yeah, my brother from way back. Me ni na share ejumasi. Onu kwa shase jam. But when me maame na me dey bewura senior ejuma. Na me was 6 years. Me na me call setting so keke say. Nipa na ke so modern ye ejuma na amba. And no modern me share. Me maame feel mu wie no. People were like,
I was here, me mo bibi akwa family delivery channels. Na onim say na ye no de bia no ye de ye celebs eba show yi so now so we hu lifestyle na me ekoso my brabo. Now so when the ekoso was celebrity lifestyle ne movie industry ne music industry na and yenya Clara Martin Benson, one of the finest young ladies are almost so Ghana movie industry. You say ba Maame Serwaa ho asema make movies bebre oten en kache uhu ne movies mwache na and e be din komo kakra fa ne personality ne movies mu then about is only movie bi na ya hwede echo ene de ba Maame na te say why fe akaba yeah wa ho fe the new secrets.
I just mind my business. Me dream
on check you bia
yes kadia
na hina okoshe
na me was school all this while after Maria say no many brands any other production houses for now they are back into the scenes.
Now movie you say na number bontin say yes we jai movie here onye movie bi mu no how is it going?
On say all my life no senior high school, junior high school now me combine school with acting but say no me call university no on say a first experience like my first experience ever so I wanted to concentrate more on the education side after the Marie met me was okay Marie I'm done with this level let me continue with another level let me get back into the scenes so see na me masa back
into what start movie no so for we be sure who come so be a minister or president we be say and who to one man say what dey anywhere so
for now the minyan to one more but say nyame pe say sanu me ya why not yes
we be pause movie na so be say John the Melody any
but politics never more change acting because also bedroom no me my obia sabi people are looking up to in a higher level so a basane there I will break for the movie side or like many then focus on the politics but for now dear I don't have any intentions of going into that for now so
over social media one of the controversy stories so and Maame Serwaa ne ya Jackson okay see shawo more West Coast more home interview to another version of that interview and Maame Serwaa ne ya Jackson on top and Maame Serwaa ne omunyi movie first yes mumie na munyi ba se mu bi du mu mpani fie so no ye hu bi klesa no sa controversy
Uni
ya Jackson ni problem
just ye hu na achi but ye ni asem
when was the last time mo bongo
the last time I'm doing who ni say I think say me ba Kumasi by Miracle Films
what's that okay
Maame me ba Miracle Films set so Kumasi and na minimum na e was setting so
Regan
me catch up cause so me hu ya che na on bra setting so na yen link up and all that and I think that was the last time but before the last time no ye share me maame years e from ye share dan share bi ti anya se ye was just say hu ye ho ache and everybody is working doing whatever they are doing. She's taking care of her family, working also. I'm also working and taking care of myself. So yes.
Okay, now do Maame dia bemu no. Then the bemu be adwen say yes o Maame egu na una work no. Then the bemu be adwen.
I just don't know. So initially, I think say me Maame film no. People were like, I think not even people. This one particular person came on the day. Story ne buy e ma afi obi adwene be koso be can send be nasty stuff and all that so I don't know meaning say we are celeb na we are public figure any kwanse hu nipa efu man any kwanse unya asem because unya man say na people will turn it into a whole different type of scenario. So I don't know, meaning say owu ya no say na nipa no dwen say bia me beto private jet o say me be yede yo na ka wo de akase oh me shen come say na eno na abem. But Sebi, I'm working hard and providing for myself. Is this one particular person this story about us? And I feel be I say, oh, it be a ben because I don't know, maybe as a public figure and Sebi, any point say will not teach him, and any point say Sebi asem it's a whole different level. So about Sano, I was like, why? Had the intent nipa so mesibeka bibi say without even knowing, verifying the whole issue. It's I don't know, say no nipa na can say bia me kokoto private jet bi na wa be ka say oh me share nkom maybe and na abem. But I'm working for myself. I'm very much working hard for myself. And yes Sebi obi and na me be kunu ana me maame ana obi na me kona medro so for what reason. Me start is in adwuma na me so.
You need more lifestyle.
So it shouldn't be like this.
Yes. Into all starts in young ages now, months and nothing on mobile months or more movies or more banner the other. How many soon how fast we are moving?
Okay, through me, mommy. Maybe I'll be a couple of funny crazy. Through me, mommy, and did the ras near Jumbo. As I
now, Kaiser, oh, age.
No, 6 years.
6 years.
And I'm right, money. See, me no call certain so keke say me kwako jam enye bibi say bia me kwose me kwako.
But now my means or actress.
There be not or your welfare like on no dia anymore that. See, like nipa na ke so modern ye adwuma na amba. And no modern me share. See, just something natural. It just happened just like that.
Okay, since then, what kind of first movie are you here?
Dear friend, if you impony.
Satana, one ya Jackson, one.
Oh, they're not Mene, Ejako, Emilia Broadway, and other stuff.
But among us all, show if you also, yes, you the fro crana now ignore money at the other. And you say attitude to be able to show.
And you know, just say, pen a man pen once. On the Ghana house, I won't pen once, and obedience, and I won't penny pantina. On penny once. Say, if you are too much into the public, it's an issue. Only public is an issue. I'm just being me. I'm just doing me. And yet say I'm doing something to portray something to someone. Say, oh, Ebi Asumasi, and I'm saying kind of once and Papa she's pretending to be this kind of person. No. Obi Obeni BN said, this is how I am. Say, and family who I don't want to be included. I just say a family, and whatever that comes with my name should be about money or work.
Oh, and then no stances here.
And then no stances
here. So, personality, and one cousin Pedriana would now honor a year amount for person who near my elcosu and me chance when Emilia will be interview beer or now can say you have not gone into any life visa. Body idea who here amount for suggest amount for name say amount for drain say papa ye BBO and as surgery or response what say.
Okay, so me son no me benin no na me hunam esoso and particularly me ba Accra and kasa best start say Accra like me bet na ha me start here everybody me posting picture and why kese do and why say so it motivated me to go to the gym and work on myself. And yet, gym on Kwan Bemani Paye say, I have so many methods of doing things on my own. Me across I'm not seeing myself as say this is my goal. Like this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to like be more than this. Not say mekwako me body be no. Obia or follow me there and himself. I'm very frequent in the gym. Like I just a chance beyond that.
Gym suit me you shape sir.
Oh yes, say me shiny yani. Okay. The gym instructor bet me I started 2020, ending of 2020, and I'm started gym. And I'm kind of have so many methods also. And your gym will pay. But said to go under the knife and all that. It's nothing to be ashamed of. To say oh my don't even know. Said the American, misika, my body. So far as I met me, I can say, oh, my So far, I say, meeting say, oh, may but I will come out successful and healthy and also alive. What I do doesn't
concern anyone.
Anybody. But me, yeah, not chinchina. Most of my people say, Ghana, Hano, we have this perception in our mind, say, oh, look at a nice shape, look at a nice body. Oh, me who's so hard, dear, why you baby? But Ghana, Hankasano, we are naturally blessed with like
those,
heavy body. So why should it always have to be oh Nwakoye say? No, I'm not ashamed to be like to say oh yeah, I did it. And so what?
Okay.
But I didn't do it. Okay. I can't come and lie or say things just to make people happy. I can't do that.
Okay. It's you who now for now for celebrities libina ubi awakoye bia wo.
So far as any panel be confirming because they are doing it to me. Okay. So why should I say oh nipa sumasi so abegina abeka so wonye oh then I'll follow the masses and say oh I'm obawaye because they are doing it to me.
Okay.
Say I'm fine me and ke bia megina baby aka say oh e bia nipa sumasi asema okay e bia oboa but yeah they are me and I'm proving myself and people still are doubting it. So I've had my own fair share of it.
Okay.
It is obi can asemo. I don't judge the person.
To encourage you be so onko be. I mean,
as I said, the only thing I wanted to do was my books because I felt like it was too much for me. I've not given birth. Yes, I've not given birth. I'm still.
I'm saying natural.
Yes.
Because you need
yes, and I didn't know where natural, but already the hips and the natural.
And you mean so no more come.
And I make us
then yagadus.
And I make us say if say obi okay, obi ati as say we natural. Why can't they believe say we natural? Okay. I'm growing. I won't be the same person as 9 years or 10 years.
Level.
I'm growing.
Yes.
Every crana as time goes on, I'm going to be thin.
Yes.
Like a steak.
Yeah.
Because as you grow, things will change.
Yeah.
You can't force yourself to say chinchina body type when I'm a painting. This is what I want. I wanted to be a smallish kind of girl, like petite kind of girl. So that I asked me, bring me age quite because who age way. And you are very, very smallish and young. Yeah. That's how I wanted to be.
In $16 years.
Yes, a lot of people think say, oh, Maame Serwaa is still the Maame Serwaa we used to know. Okay. No, I'm growing. Things will change. Yeah. And when you say a bonnet kwaso, social media, they also grow. What you mean? Because say now you were short 5 years or 9 years ago. That's the same way you are. Obi to me who be say ti won why tintin sano. But maybe 5 years ago, maybe I was short. It's good.
You say how many years?
Me was 25 years. This year, I'm 26.
26 years.
Yes.
So now to say umuadia, Maame Serwaa umuadia or hantankasa o feel the same. I'm sorry now kind social media now who say the girl doesn't respect it. Who say na many nyina?
Me I've never seen anybody comment that.
Until you be say umuadia.
They comment that even if they are going to comment that is because of the movie bia. Mama should start man me wo Kumasi there. Not people really feel say they me ye moving sana start here. But as time went on now people see say oh one pekasa oh baby nkofo bebe hia me mama what should I na say now and I'll tell them say the home me na sana and you be born me say if your actions is here na my mood changes. Yes. Everything changes because you do
a juma so
I'm passionate about it. Until I give my all to perform to the satisfaction of my people. And no just as ana meti.
No, we have maso. Actually. Is one not to brofo. Unu say na first na nipa no be doing so on te brofo.
Okay, because first I was very, very shy.
Okay.
In talking in public. I was very, very shy. So be a public speaking and I say, but as time went on, I'm gradually like maturing in that. And yes, I meant to bro from school.
Okay.
Yes. Just say the padomo kasama sometimes.
me.
Now, but say about me movie side in the end of Jimmy, but say we are original. Say something to the people. Something not first not any day. Because now me pick us up too much. I was always in my corner, shy and all that. But as time goes on, even if I'm shy, when it comes to work, I need to put the shyness aside and work. So me here we na dey me kwahye me corner na me wo fear. That's it.
Say say umwa dey on ferris animal. Say she obi tiri obi nyi free ni tiri.
So you see the real me, know who I am. Don't judge till you see me. Say me bacho mesem. And Mani showed him said you'll be canny and okay. Have the experience of Maame Serwaa. Get to know me and judge from your own perspective. And that's what Obi say in Tisano. It's never like that.
How lawyers were to scare rules? I say.
I knew it. I knew you asked.
There was say before you know be kasa na say I need your person you clear man for again. Na you ma send your when you fit to standard no. Pepe. Yes, you'll be to scale so and yes, you'll be crying $100. Yes, you'll be a 500 CDC. Hey, 500 CDC.
Okay. I will say that it was my sweet boyfriend.
Okay.
Yes.
Aware.
Okay, so it was my birthday and he just felt like doing that because me and Katano, I don't put my relationship or my personal life in the public. But it happened like that.
Yeah, unexpectedly.
It's happened and we just had to go with the flow. Because at that moment, initially not baby I'm so because Okachim so only town. So I felt like only town then that's fine. So I just went and just says, I'm going to have fun. Go and book an apartment and just have fun because it's my birthday. Not knowing, say, he was coming. And that time, baby, I'm here, not blogger be so that. I don't know, not your so down. And he was like, no name, the guy. And my guy also told me, me back Serwaa. And the person was like, let me because that was the first time I met the person, that blogger. So I want to the far.
So video in better
So you say I shut that
when you are time.
No.
And you to seek a good so. And yes, when you're home.
Me I don't want people to. It's not a secret, but I want it privately. So and you say I'm chasing clouds with it or no, not that.
You have two few questions. Be na you share there and over here. Only Frank Naro dated that. Only Frank Naro dated that. You man no my
Frank, all this one. Like Debbie, you dated that. Frank, me meet me as a Frank, me brother from way back. Because me need to share a jumasi. I'm not sure say
na be was someone so.
Me ba ho say. Many Frank, and you Frank can share say, but meet me aka say, and I'm saying na young teens and ye wo kuma wood we became very close. Nti me nim say no nti na nkofo de ka to de bi kwa na okoye interviewer ono ka sene ma me say ya no friend me ya na me suma friend kofi I say I show Lord the say no makoko na me kra me bofu ni say na me ebusa question won ya no straightforward say you be why should you be laughing and be
as all me na
the ayesi you ni atwa so kofi nye me bibia me ni kofi kra en da guy ma ko
one now can I say
Frank Naro. Okay. Sam me friend kofi.
E beto dwa say yes only be someone dating my yes one ne yere jai how much is in topa what is our story na
cool case na yere e me di me ni de me cool case
you are someone
yes enti bill akoye me papa wakoye me brother wakoye me penny na owo adwuma I respect him a lot like I respect that man a lot because sebi say only no was set so na say wo ya ade bi na bia antwa wi a on kan wo ni pomo be chi wajantos ya ade we ya your friend Maame Serwaa or else Maame Serwaa ade we ya o ye di you say even because sometimes article to me directors ade we dey see we you say o che na nyoma enye say eno wonti me no bibi baby I don't know. Oh, yeah, penny, but on say as time went on, maybe play roles. It we became close. Not say that close to the stage. Meet me a anyone I know. So I don't know where they got that idea from. Say,
yeah.
industry man, cause I'm new
Okay. Into young share movie industry, no only will be beef. Movie industry when you beef, wine can't beef. Will be after us. Everybody, you mama, me that. Okay, okay. 2025, then that one.
Oh, 2025. Say, no, my name Mark Felix.
Yeah, Mark Felix.
Yes. They are signing. Manufacture snacks. The snacks a bejaso, a beton. Mark Felix manufacture and distribute snacks. Ghana. And see, Miss Share my dog for my fans, me tear for my shop phone, I say. So we could promo, Miss Shaw. Tom McPhillis, mammy. McPhillis, we are better than just to be an old talk, all because of my Maame Serwaa who don't. McPhillis, no worth 5 CD. For Ubenya be was stores, Ubenya be on market, baby. It is a say, my brand ambassador for McPhillis India. Meaning, say, Ubenya me hodo. No matter what, mommy. Nami shamina.
Oh, we baby say McPhillis, no. Product. We na Kelewele anaze den.
Where arrived like where Coco.
Right, but another
say. Where Kelewele.
Coco ne friend right.
Kelewele no difference between we and Kelewele is Kelewele no. Pepper warm like to say we di Kelewele.
Pepper.
Yes.
And say. Who the kotwa no you.
Also do ho ani Kelewele no pen too soft. Where crunchy. Kelewele are crunchy. Flavor bia wo. And we normal body plantain chips in Kasa. And away so cocoa. Say ya cocoa na. Just say yes.
Nti ankwa adwuma kuo oye maame oye family wako adwuma ba ope eye plantain chips de akoma oba so de bi hye ne school bag mu de akọ school a hwe ba bia enkoto bi wo kwanchen na de ankọ wo ba ne sim mo chena bi ankwa nkopra no hygiene eno ye friend say ahonim say hygiene ne twi di yeah na wako tobi wahu ne buan so ofo it is on traffic mu baby anam bia no ubenya eye McPhillips omo plantain chips bi ato na also no wotumi awie pe after we bibi da woni ma obaba be ye
when you ma be breda
me kai so start podcast bi
yeah you go so many management you go so yeah
say to born home modern empire
oh yes yeah and I mess all brands across Ghana say Meshamo
obiano me adwuma
afena me
mu abie
membra yenji mu bebre
abusi enti Maame Serwaa kire se ankwankwa adwuma ku a opɛ brand ambassador se opɛ obedi odwuma nim na onso tuminya ano ho muaye a Maame Serwaa na meka mfo dia se ne McPhillips abedi omu die we say on plantations be short so di Maame Serwaa fans no monkoto bi pa na say
5 CD. Oh, you want a power about say no packaging when you dey buffer school cra mother so do one am come accommodate oh mama to be snack
na you do come so yes
and where you are not drink
then I'll catch your fans wa hwefo omomuhu watch omonte catch omonte social media kasa then I'll catch them
the mega share me fans me tie for madofo any mahwefo nyina ne say after Masaba back, they should expect nothing but the best. I know it says it's Ghana a negative story. I know that they're more trend, but this is the new trend.
Okay.
You can also trend with positivity.
Okay.
And that's what I'm trying to sell it out there. Say maybe beyond a say, oh, young cats wakoye bibi born in my own trend. No. So said the munya me hodo and then to was your mamina. Me catch me fans mina say Mungu Swando, Maame Serwaa. Now supporting the Maame Serwaa brand because this year and next year we are coming out with fire and something exciting. Thank you. Thank you.
What cover from before I made a Ghana movie say our future.
Oh yes, just we need to push it more and be out there. It shouldn't always have to be within nationwide. We need to go globally. and money yes local and I say Kuma wood and oh Maame Serwaa the home local no. We should also like promote our stars and also go globally. And we can say we have future and go here. Because you're penny for no, they are trying their best to make it happen. So you push your directors, your producers, no be yet nothing.
I was here. I had a brand name Rabbi Quiet Day, you made the Indian Abeman. Yannick Clara Martin Benson, one of the finest Kumawood stars. On any legend that was me PMO BBC, Ubian Kubida. So Ubian Kubida, one other BBC. Now, before I become more, I'm a American Fukaristic Company Limited in Red Freddy's Aramish and Izadi capsules to the amount. Say infection bacteria be a bed in the Pediana contents or bar. I am not a doom feature outy pains was if you gain Bronos will be to meet on can say Wapo feature Kuma, a Charistic Company Limited, Zamish and Izadi capsules to the amount. Infertility also prostate problems in Milano, a the Bonia, a Tessa Oshe Anuye. Bema edu umpaso agudi anayi se ohwasa na egu from 2-3 seconds funny face so hu na ohwasa na egu from sisi ya zaman capsules na make am for dey amount say eba bema sexual weakness low sperm count sisi ya bia zaman capsules na make am for dey amount mu hindi eba mission nso no eba malaria fever typhoid diabetes blood pressure na ya dey typhosora wadru any hindi heba measure sanso ana make am for reta kono dey amount say reta or your online digital marketing expert reta digital business abai so ebe tell kwan obefa so your online digital business now so what me enye sika egugu to wherever you find yourself na bibia to me edim your friend Dan Kwasi Prince na me yadoma da se ne biem ye be send e hye makra